I swear to God, he invites me up, tells me car's running fine. With this, get over here, you know I love you. Hello, my Rover friends. We've got an exciting one, and anybody out there in YouTube land knows exactly where I'm standing and who I'm standing with. This is my alleged son, Will. He claims through YouTube that, I don't know, I owe him some sort of paternity.
Yeah.
We did a blood test. We both came back O green positive, so that tracks.
That does track. And the thing is, right, I wouldn't make these stupid purchases of Land Rovers if I didn't have some relation to you, I think.
And that's what brings me down. He calls me up and he says, hey, I'm looking at a L322. Should I buy it? And I go, well, yeah, L322s are the golden trucks as long as you stay between 06 and 09 because everything's fine. And what did my kid do?
Well, I had to buy an 04 immediately after he said don't buy the 04.
So here we are. We're gonna transform this car today. If we can get it started, cue the intro. All right, here is this is a treasure. This is, why would you not buy an 06? Okay, all right.
No, 04.
It needs a taillight. We'll get that sorted. Well, it's got lights.
It's got a taillight, yeah. It just needs a taillight shroud.
You know, I've seen little plastic tape you can put on there and just save money.
Just make the color, yeah, okay, that would work.
Yeah. Let's take a look inside.
Oh, I don't know if you want to. It's pretty revolting. Well, this side's actually not that bad, but the smell is really what gets you when you,
Oh, good, look. Nice door trim.
Thank you.
Was this car underwater?
Maybe.
Oh, the BMW power plant. Everybody loves that.
Well.
All right, fire it up. I can see that the jump box is dead.
See, the problem is, right, is it's like acting like it has battery. But then it's... Thoughts?
The best part is I drove 7 hours to come here.
Yay!
All right, I'll see you guys back in Buffalo if they let me leave.
We'll never.
I swear to God, he invites me up, tells me car's running fine, no problem. This one we're gonna have fun with. You won't have to climb in the engine bay.
Well, the problem is it was working fine yesterday. I just put it here.
I think it's the Valley Pan gasket.
Don't say Valley Pan gasket.
Let's start pulling injectors.
Oh shit, I forgot to order one of these.
All right, it's showing that you got good voltage. We've got a hood prop. Let's give it a start.
Oh, what is going on?
I found the squirrel.
Oh, it's my engine. It's not that bad.
No, not at all. Little sun faded. You got a thing here. This is cool.
Well,
fixed it.
No. Oh my God.
Daddy, I've got the black lung.
I've got the plague.
All right, things are looking up. We got a real car here. No, not the Supra, you hush. The Project D2 that they did and took it across the country showed up, loving it. We are off to a glorious start.
Well, glorious is a strong word.
As glorious can be. We're going to adapt CFE to the 0305 Range Rover. It doesn't fit. We're gonna make it fit. We got bolts, can-do attitude. Shut up, Will.
CFE, adapt, improvise, adapt, overcome.
We got some terra firma wheels. We're gonna make sure that those fit. 0305. Never been done. Never been done. Some pillars, because you gotta keep it looking frosty, right?
Yeah, you know. Put a lot of spaghetti in this thing.
Some tail lights. We got our work. Got my words to work. We got our work cut out for us.
Definitely.
First thing we really do need to do is get that coolant to stop leaking.
Yeah.
And let's get the battery charged so it starts.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to work?
I mean, you know, I'm ready to work. I got a lot of coolant on me.
Okay, good news. You fixed the coolant hose.
Yes.
Life is good. It's no longer leaking. We're gonna now work on this front bumper. Since it's up in the air, we're gonna get that all ripped off. Get these tires out of the way. You work on that side, I'll work on this side, we'll race. We are making some progress, but Will is heartbroken. He has just found out what happens when you own an 03 to 05 and the steering wheel comes down and crushes your baby maker there.
It happened exactly after he told me that it was gonna happen. Which is crazy because that only happens once, right?
There's ways around it. We're gonna see if we can put power to it, put it back, and then you disconnect all the
The
controls.
thing that I heard is the motor's still moving.
Oh boy.
So.
Oh boy. But let's focus on the fun.
Yeah, the
We're
bumper.
gonna get a winch bumper on. Got your team U ready? Your quagga?
Yeah, hold on, let me grab
Let's
it.
get this off.
That comes off.
Microplastics.
All right, we've got the front bumper cover off and the subframe. Will, let's put this in place, but I can already tell it's not gonna fit, as promised. Okay, that goes there, that goes there.
Well, so the
Push. Oh, there you go, it's great. You don't mind a little kitty wampus, right?
there's a lot of stuff in the way though.
All right, so we're going to have to cut this out of the way in order to get the winch tray to sit properly against the frame. You got a Team U Salsa?
No, I think we're gonna have to go.
All right, excellent news for anybody that owns an 03 to 05, so nobody in my audience. We were able to get the brackets out of the way. This bumper is going to bolt up. We test, let's show them, Will.
Yeah.
Look at this, look at this. This car has just gone up in value. Good news, we've done our work. The bumper fits. Bad news, I said get a Warren winch. Put a proper winch on the car. And what does he show up with?
The Badland ZXR
Oh my God.
12,000 edition.
That's steel cable right there.
Yeah, that's one of the winches of all time.
Oh my God. So the power goes into this motor and then it dead shorts onto that because you've got the ground on a motor lead. You better get that quagga fired up.
Fucking quagga.
We have successfully installed the bumper. Will's taking a nap. He's all tuckered out. Completely tuckered out. No, you go back to sleep. Everybody knows how hard he works.
Yeah, you know, YouTube's so difficult.
But it's on. We're gonna put the front end back together. Good job.
Dude, it looks awesome.
It really does.
I'm super stoked on
Here
this.
we got some Baja lights.
you know,
That, your chain hangs low. Don't worry about it.
hanging to my ding-a-lang.
We're gonna get that when we get it back up in the air and figure out where everything goes. Bumper done. It's time. You got the grill?
Yeah.
Okay, this is actually moving along way better than expected. We're gonna trim the fender liner, but in order to do that, we gotta get these.
Rims.
Yes.
These are what I'd call rims. You know, these aren't wheels, these are rims.
These deuces need to come off so we can put the proper off-road tires on. But we are this close to completing the job.
Yeah?
Let's get to it. Success. We've got the washer bottle out of the way. Now we're gonna drop in our Baja Designs fog lights. They sit right in like this. Oh yeah.
Oh, sweet.
So in order to finish this job up and get the tire on, we need to trim the fender liner. There's a little notch in it, and I'd like to go from the notch across like so, right here where the liner meets the inner frame rail. You can usually do this with a sharp pocket knife, or if you're as talented as I am, you can use your Sawzall. This job is almost done. All we need to do is put on the final tire. We're gonna use Will's strength and good looks to get it done.
All right, one of those things is true, and let's see.
Oh, my back hurts looking at you.
Yeah.
You gotta roll it.
Which way?
How did we even put this car together?
You rolled it.
Oh my God. All right, let's get it down, get it out, and have a look. Well, there you have it. Total transformation. We got a bumper on an 0305, and it looks damn good.
I did make one mistake, and that was I ordered the tires slightly too small.
It's okay.
But, you know.
We got bigger tires coming. There's going to be a ton of content on the Captain Crankshaft channel. I know you guys already subscribed, but if you don't, you're missing out on amazing shenanigans.
And subscribe to him and Lucky 8, because they're the ones who did everything and made this all possible. I wouldn't have bought this car if I didn't know him, to be honest with you.
I don't know if that's encouraging people or not.
Yeah. Thank you
Well,
very much,
I can't
sir.
wait to see what you do with this. Get
Yeah.
over here. You know I love you.
I mean, first thing I'm gonna do is clean it up. So if you guys wanna see paint and cleaning and everything come into play, then check out our video, but make sure you subscribe to him.
All right. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Follow for more Rover content.